everyone. Today is going to be a work day. This is a day to get caught up so that you can work on missing assignments and pull up your grade. You can work on assignments that you have a low grade on to pull up your grade. If you have 100% of the class, you just need to fill out the exit ticket. And yes, there is an exit ticket today. So if you go down here, you'll go to your class announcements and you will find out what we're doing this work day. Your instructions will be to watch this recording, work on missing assignments, and fill out this exit ticket. You're going to have the links here to the recording and the exit ticket. Another way to get to the recording and the exit ticket will be to click on today on your plan. You can look at a month at a time. If this will load, you can look at a month at a time. Today's the work day, or you could do what I like to do and look at the week. If I click on work day, this is going to have my workday exit ticket and it's going to have my workday recording on it, and I can find them right here. This is how I will find my assignment for the day, or what I'm supposed to be doing today to earn my exit ticket. Let me show you how to find missing grades. I go to the grades tab. In your grade book, I have everything calculated. You can see your grade. You can see how many points you have. You can see your grade. And you can see the assignment. You can see your score. This 0 means that you don't have any points. It means you did not do this assignment. You need to look at the assignment here. It's usually the quiz, and you need to look at the recording. So watch the recording, do the quiz, pull up that grade. If you have a low grade, you don't have full points, go ahead and do that assignment over. Most assignments have at least 3 tries. The only exception is the CFA and the Ames knowledge checks. Those only have 1 try. And the thing that you cannot make up in the grade book is participation. That is, you come to class, you participate, you earn that grade. Okay. Oh, if you see a little line, that means don't worry about it. It's not counting against you. Don't work on that one. Work on the ones that are less than the full points. This is the full points. This is your score. Or work on the ones with the zeros. Okay, guys, let's get to the exit ticket. The exit ticket, let me see if I can pull this up. The exit ticket looks like this. You're going to have your first name. You're going to answer that. You're going to have your last name. You're going to answer that. You need to put the points. Let me change this. You need to put the points that you have when class started. What's the points? These are the points right here. These are the points right here. You need to tell me that score. Okay, points when class started. Then you need to list what you worked on today. Do the assignment number. Let's see, maybe I did 1.01. So I would put 1.01 right here. And then what is your new grade at the end of class today? You would put your new score, your new points right here. Your new points. In fact, I'm going to go, what are your new points at the end of class today? What are your new points at the end of class today? Okay, so now you know where to get that. This is your exit ticket. This is what you're going to earn. I may or may not have a reward for you guys. I don't know. I like giving rewards. If you have everything filled out on this exit ticket, you will earn full participation points for today. And I might just have a reward for those people who have full participation for today. 100% participation deserves a reward, I think. So, yeah, I think that would be cool. If you have 100% in the class, you just need to fill this out, put your score at the beginning of class, what you worked on for other classes, and what your score at the end of class is. Okay, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. I will see you next class. Bye.